Hello, I'm Louise, Trial Portfolio Coordinator at a Clinical Trials Unit. I've experienced the many benefits that trainee research collaboratives bring by helping to increase clinician engagement in trials. We've identified 5 strategies that can increase engagement with trainee research collaboratives, helping to bring together surgical trainees, consultants, clinical trials units, and clinical research networks to learn, develop, and improve patient care together. The first strategy is to create opportunities for trainees to generate study ideas and complete trial methodology training. Let's find out more by hearing from some trainees about their experiences.
Hi, I'm Sam. Joining a trainee collaborative really helped me to build my experience. I learned a lot by getting involved in trial development alongside experts, taking courses and learning on the job.
I'm Sarah. Once I gained more experience, I became a co-principal investigator. I had my own study idea, which a consultant helped me to develop and get funded. It's built my confidence to be a chief investigator in the future.
Hello, I'm Daniel, and I'm the chair of a research collaborative. Funding bodies like the co-principal investigator model as they get a senior consultant on board and someone who has more time to dedicate to coordinating the project. Current trainee requirements focus on publishing a first author paper, but we believe there also needs to be a greater recognition of the other valuable research activities trainees undertake.
Strategy 2 is about designing studies that are achievable, with quick wins that promote collaborative and trainee engagement.
As trainees, we often want to get involved in a trial to get a publication on our CV. However, it can take years for results to be published. It can also be quite daunting if we don't have a lot of experience, and large trials aren't always the best place to learn new skills. Getting involved in simpler studies like snapshot audits, cohort studies or feasibility studies can help build research skills and confidence. Starting with smaller studies like this helped me prepare for involvement in larger trials.
My trainee collaborative helped me to meet other trainees as well as consultants involved in research. It gave me the flexibility to be involved in different aspects of research, depending on my needs, with smaller timescales that suited my circumstances.
Strategy 3 is to seek out the support of a consultant champion to provide consistency for a trial and mentorship to trainees.
Having consultants involved in our study really helps as they provide advice and guidance. Having senior expertise on board also makes the trial more credible to funding and oversight bodies.
But remember, consultants are busy, so provide a summary of what's expected of them up front and minimise how much of their time you take up. Often, they just need to agree to their patients being in the trial. Trainees can then do the legwork like recruiting, follow-ups and data collection. It is helpful if consultants can check in at monthly collaborative meetings to provide feedback and expertise.
Strategy 4 is to be transparent about what is expected from all those involved in the trial and clarify roles, responsibilities and working practices early on.
Some trainees regret getting involved in studies because they end up being big, long-term commitments, and sometimes their work isn't even recognised. You can ensure that the arrangement works for everybody by creating terms of engagement together, clearly defining expectations at the outset. Also, creating a transparent authorship policy makes it clear up front how everyone will be credited, for both trainees and collaborators, such as universities and trials units.
We used a corporate authorship model, using a single organisation name as the author and listing individuals and their roles later in the paper. This ensured that everyone felt acknowledged, as there were many trainees and collaborators on the trial. This model is gaining popularity and is now accepted in many journals.
Strategy 5 is to engage with and have better communication with collaborators, such as clinical trials units and clinical research networks.
Clinical trials units are supportive and provide expertise that clinicians don't have. They provide us with statistical support, data management, and help with oversight of the trial.
It helped us to have a key person from the trials unit to work with, provide guidance, and help develop our trial. This also helped them to understand the clinical aspects of the trial. This two-way relationship works for everyone and results in better trials and patient care.
Building good relationships with the research nurses really helped us. They're the ones with the trial protocols, the paperwork, and tend to have more time to discuss things. For example, a research nurse helped us set up a group chat so that we can easily organise daily trial-related tasks.
There are many benefits for everyone when trainees become involved in trials. It is important for all involved to work to enhance their engagement. To recap, here's the 5 strategies to enhance this engagement and help facilitate good working practices for all. 1. Create opportunities for trainees to generate study ideas and complete trial methodology training. 2. Promote trainee and collaborative engagement by having achievable study designs with quick wins. 3. Seek out the support of a consultant champion to provide consistency for a trial and mentorship to trainees. 4. Be transparent about what is expected from all those involved in the trial and clarify roles, responsibilities and working practices early on. 5. Engage with and have better communication with collaborators such as clinical trials units and clinical research networks. Thanks for watching. We hope you'll consider joining a trainee research collaborative and start enjoying the many benefits they provide.